Hey there, thanks for watching. My name is Christiana and my channel is The Well-Behaved Wallet, where I talk about mindset, motivation, and making or saving money. That's three things. Today I am coming to you with a frugal, dairy-free pizza alternative. And I say frugal because it's pretty frugal. I was going to say there are some things you could do different, but for being dairy-free, I think it's pretty darn frugal. So I say dairy-free and not vegan because I am going to be putting on pepperoni, although if you are vegan, you don't have to put on pepperoni. Do your thing. So I have my ingredients here out in front of me. These Golden Home ultra-thin pizza crusts came from the Dollar Tree, and I am excited to see how they do with on pizza. So I will let you know my thoughts on that. You get 2 in 1 packet, and pretty good deal, right? 50 cents a piece. So there's that. The second thing is a jar of pre-made pizza sauce. If you're super thrifty, you can make your own, but I decided to pay the $1.49 and get this jar of pre-made sauce. And I'm going to be using a plant-based alternative to cheese, and that is a Good Planet mozzarella. Good for you, good for the planet. We'll see how this tastes. I will also let you know how that is. And I'm going to be putting on pepperoni, also purchased from the Dollar Tree. So that is my ingredient list for this project. I have my pizza stone, which I actually got from the Pampered Chef ages and ages ago, so it's definitely earned its keep. So I will put all the ingredients on and let you know my thoughts, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so I took a shower and the pizza's in the oven, and I'll just let you know how much each of the ingredients cost while I'm waiting for it to be done. I got 2 more minutes. It smells amazing. This, the pizza crust is from the Dollar Tree, so that's 50 cents a piece. The pizza sauce, as I mentioned, was $1.49 from ShopRite, pre-made. And the cheese was, I think, $3.49, which again, it's plant-based, so that's fine. $4, $5, $6, $7 total, and there's still, you can see, probably another serving. I was pretty liberal with the cheese, so if I had been a little bit more economical, I could have made, let the cheese last twice, so the next pizza that I make will just be a little bit less cheesy. So that is how much that recipe costs. I ended up not putting the pepperoni on it, so it is totally vegan. So there you go, and we'll see when the pizza comes out. I will let you guys see the finished product. I think what I actually might do is take, now that I have everything all going, make a whole second pizza, bake it, and then freeze it so that I have, for the upcoming week, I guess like a quick dinner option that I can just throw into the oven and reheat. So if I cook it all the way through, the plan is to have it ready to go and easy to just throw into into the oven to reheat, so I don't end up spending money on convenience food. So what is that, $7 for 2 servings is $3.50 for an entire pizza. That's cheaper than like Little Caesars or Papa John's. I mean, you can't beat that. It's really a great deal. So we have 3, 2, 1. And there it is. Okay, so stick with me and I'll let you see the finished product. Alrighty, here is the finished product. Because it is a vegan cheese, it's not super melty, but it tastes really good. So I would for sure recommend this recipe, and I'm off to go make another one to freeze for later. Thanks for watching. Bye!